So, what is React? According to the official React website, React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. We do write JavaScript codes to make React applications, so it's a JavaScript library. Now, getting into the library part, first we need to know what is library and what is a framework. Framework is something that provides all the necessary packages required for an applications to use like routing, HTTP service, etc. as a part of its core package like Angular and Vue does. But React is a library because its core package don't provide us anything like routing HTTP service, and we use such service from third-party packages. So we call React as a JavaScript library, not a framework. Now getting into the user interfaces part. User interface means whatever user sees on the screen. React is a library for building user interfaces, and to make user interfaces we just make several UI components and combine them in a view. So let's see how this part actually works through an example. This is official React.js website. I have marked few containers in this website, which is what components for this view. The top navigation bar is one component. The main highlighted section, also called hero section, is also another components in this page. And there are three containers in middle that might be just one component reused as it is almost similar with headings and two paragraphs. So combining all these smaller components, finally we get a good looking user interfaces, and this is what React does. So basically React breaks pages into components where we handle logic and styling of the components separately, and that makes our applications easy to maintain and scalable. So that's all for this lecture, and in next lecture we will write our first hello world in React.